back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious salsa for your homemade tacos. It comes out delicious and spicy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious salsa for your homemade tacos, these are the ingredients. I have cilantro, half an onion, tomatillo, tomato, chile de árbol, 1 garlic clove, 1/4 of an onion, chicken bouillon, and salt. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing taco salsa. So let's get started. Okay, I want to start showing you the tomatillos, tomatoes, the chile de árbol, garlic, and 1/4 of an onion. Let's go to the stove where I have the skillet nice and hot, and I'm going to start adding my chilies first, because remember, we need to roast them really good. And the skillet is nice and hot, so I'm just going to make sure that I'm moving the chile de árbol so they don't get burned. You know, it doesn't take too long for the chile de árbol to get nice and roasted. Look at this. Once you start smelling that delicious and amazing aroma of the chile de árbol, it is time to remove, or else they will burn on you. And of course, you don't want a salsa that tastes horrible. You want a salsa that tastes delicious and spicy. Well, here I'm going to go ahead and start removing the chile de árbol, and I'm going to start adding the rest of the tomatillos and the tomato. You know that the tomatillos and the tomatoes take a longer time to cook, but this side should be down, okay? I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to let them here roast really good. Remember, the salsas that I roasted, the salsas that you roast really come out with such an amazing flavor. I'm going to roast my onion and the garlic. You want the garlic to be really roasted. And once this is done, I'll show you how we are going to prepare this delicious and amazing homemade salsa for your tacos. Once they are releasing their liquids, then it is time to flip them. I'm going to remove the onion. I'm going to go ahead and start flipping them over. They are even changing color. The tomatillos are kind of yellow. That's when you know that it's time to flip. Oh my gosh, this salsa really comes out delicious. Give it a few more minutes. After about 5 minutes, it is time to remove and make this amazing salsa for your amazing tacos. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. And here I have all the ingredients. I'm not going to take none of that skin off of the tomatillos or the tomatoes. I'm going to leave them as they are. I'm going to start adding all the tomatoes and tomatillos. Remember, if you don't like too spicy salsa, just add a little less of the chile de árbol. But the rest of the ingredients, add the same. This salsa really doesn't last here at home because everybody loves it. The taste of this salsa is so amazing. And like I said, this salsa is especially for your homemade tacos. I'm going to add the salt. I'm going to add the chicken bouillon, and I'm going to add just enough water to blend them. It's going to be about 1 cup of water. No more than that. You want it nice and thick and chunky. Okay, let's go and let's blend it. Look at this. Just enough water to blend everything. Don't add too much, or else it's going to be very runny. And that's exactly how you don't want it. And it doesn't take too long when your salsa is ready. Let me show you how this salsa looks. Look at this. It's really thick. Those colors, oh my gosh, the aroma that is releasing already, just perfection. Look at this. Let me show you the texture. It's not too runny. It's just the perfect texture for your amazing homemade tacos. If you are going to enjoy the salsa the same day, add cilantro and onion, chopped in very small little pieces. But if you are going to enjoy it for another day, don't add the cilantro or the onion. So like that, your salsa will last in your refrigerator for about 1 week. Make sure that you dice your onion very small and very little pieces so that it really incorporates into the salsa. Okay, I'm gonna put it on this plate. I'm gonna mix everything so that it's nice and incorporated. And believe me, I can't wait to enjoy this amazing salsa for tacos. You're gonna mix it really good. I hope, my friends, if you like this video, if you like this recipe, I gave you step-by-step how to make this amazing salsa for your tacos. Please leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel so you don't lose none of my delicious and amazing recipes. Look at this. Just add enough so that it's nice and chunky. The aroma that this is releasing, just amazing. I can't wait to make my tacos. You could make crispy tacos or soft tacos. This goes well with both. Look how chunky it is. And look at the colors, the texture. Just amazing. Even you could add it to a quesadilla and you will love this salsa. Let me taste it. If it needs a little more salt, you could add it at this moment. Okay, it's great. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing salsa for your tacos, for your homemade tacos. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. My mouth is already watering. Excuse me. You know something? It's not too spicy, but with all the ingredients roasted on a skillet, it just came out delicious. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make your amazing tacos. But remember, if you are going to enjoy it right away, don't add onion and cilantro. But if you're not going to enjoy them right now, well then, put them in a container. And when you are ready to enjoy those amazing crispy tacos or soft tacos, then and your cilantro. I am ready. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious salsa for your amazing tacos. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.